Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air3 Pro headphones, and today I'm gonna show you how can you easily download the app for them to Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to go into Play Store. Now we have to go into the search tab, and in this search tab we have to search for OPPO. Now as you can see, the first one is the Hey Melody by the Hey tab. We have to click on it, and now we have to click install. Now we have to wait a moment until our app installs. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.